With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question says that assertion the quasi-fluid nature of the lipid enables the lateral movement of the proteins within the overall bilayer. Reason this ability to move within the membrane is known as the fluidity, and it is important for the cell growth. Alright, so as we all are aware for regarding the structure of the cell membrane, and it is bilayer structure, and it consists of the phospholipid, alright, and the proteins. There are two types of the protein, but one which are totally embedded are known as the transitional proteins, okay, and that are present on the periphery are known as the peripheral proteins. All right, so phospholipid consists of the hydrophilic head and the hydrophobic tail. The head is hydrophilic, and it is polar in nature, whereas the tail is the hydrophobic and it is non-polar in nature. Okay, so they are arranged in the bilipid layer like this. This is the phospholipids, okay, and there are certain proteins which are present on the periphery. Whereas certain proteins which are completely buried inside, which is known as the transitional protein. Okay, now this model was known as the fluid mosaic model. This model was known as the fluid mosaic model of the cell membrane, and it was given by the Singer and Nicholson. All right. The quasi-fluid nature of the membrane, this quasi-fluid means that the fluidity which is present because of the phospholipid, all right, it helps in the movement of these proteins. Since the membrane is the fluidity in nature, it is known as the quasi-fluid, and this nature provides the movement of the protein that is present, and this property is known as the fluidity. The property of the fluidity of the cell membrane is important for the cell growth. All right, not only just for the cell growth, but it also helps in the endocytosis, that is movement of the molecule inside the cell division. It will help in the cell division, plus intercellular junction, formation of the intercellular junctions. All right, it may help in the secretion, and there are many processes that this fluidity nature of the cell membrane helps. All right, so our assertion says that the quasi-fluid nature of the lipid enables the lateral movements of the protein within the overall bilayer. This is true statement. Just imagine if this membrane would have been stiff, then it would not allow the movement of the protein that are arranged in this pattern. Alright, so fluidity nature is very important for the movement of the proteins. This ability to move within the membrane is called fluidity, yes, and it is important for the cell growth. This is also true statement, but the reason is not the correct explanation for the assertion. Alright, so our answer is B if both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.